Alright guys, I am still in Tucson and I'm in a conference. This was at the local store. This is pretty neat. It's a 10 grams of fiber, plant-based baked cookie that has 16 grams of protein in it. This is the first time I've ever seen something like this. They call it a Snickerdoodle. So yeah, I've never seen a Snickerdoodle and never heard of them. So vegan, kosher, no high fructose corn syrup. And if you look here, these are the ingredients. It does contain wheat and flour, cane sugar, rice protein, pea protein. So that's where you get your protein. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It has a... Oh, it's soft. Check this out. That's what it looks like right there. Yeah, so it's soft. It has a nice cinnamon taste to it. Almost tastes like a ginger snap, but without the ginger. And not as sugary. And just more cinnamon. But the cinnamon isn't overbearing. It's very mild. It's a little dry too. Other than that, guys, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.